natural flavors. Dr. Steve Ball's Shoe Stick Powder. And Bug-A-Brew Coffee. When you want something hot to chew, reach for a Bug-A-Brew. It's good to last forever.
While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant...
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
Horrible.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky, save me!
I'm Wazowski, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Come on, this way.
Perimeter is under observation. Decon unit in position. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I have information on the girl. Situation is, Snyder.
Nice. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
She'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Welcome to the Himalaya!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My Wazowski!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
We spread out and locked it down. Lock it out. Okay, quickly ready for the situation status to 992. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of human child. We responded to